Are you trying to decide between Adobe Experience Manager, AEM, and Magento for your e-commerce business? Both platforms are strong contenders, but their strengths lie in very different areas. AEM focuses primarily on content management and digital asset handling, making it ideal for businesses with heavy content needs. It excels at automating metadata and content tagging, which is great for managing large libraries of assets. On the other hand, Magento is built specifically for e-commerce. It offers incredible flexibility, supports multiple payment gateways, and is scalable, making it a powerful tool for businesses looking to grow their online stores globally. Now, let's look at Adobe Experience Manager, AEM, a bit closer. AEM allows businesses to create and manage content across different channels efficiently. One of its standout features is automated content tagging, which uses AI to make your content easier to manage. Switching gears to Magento Commerce, this platform is designed with e-commerce businesses in mind. It offers advanced inventory management, order processing, and SEO tools, all of which are built to drive traffic and increase sales. Magento also supports multi-store management. Here's why Magento might be the better option if your primary focus is e-commerce. First, it has extensive e-commerce functionality. From handling multiple payment gateways to managing orders, it's a robust platform that streamlines operations. Second, Magento's customization options allow you to tailor your online store to meet your specific business needs. You can tweak designs, add extensions, and integrate third-party tools effortlessly. Third, Magento is highly scalable, meaning your store can grow alongside your business without needing to switch platforms. Finally, Magento is much more cost-effective than AEM. It offers a free open-source version. We hope this breakdown of AEM versus Magento has helped clear things up. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more e-commerce insights.